Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ava Smith, and today we will be talking about climate change. We all know that climate change is a continuously pressing issue. We in the state of Florida are being affected more and more by climate change each year. Climate change affects various aspects of the world around us, such as sea levels and storm frequency and intensity. A hurricane is defined as a rapidly rotating, low pressure system with activity like thunder and lightning that develops in the tropics or subtropics. Hurricanes form from warmer sea surface temperatures that intensify tropical storm wind speeds, giving them the potential to deliver more damage if they make landfall. According to the Florida Climate Center, while the mean intensity of hurricanes has not changed significantly in the past, warmer oceans rise the ceiling for intensity. A larger proportion of storms have reached major category, that is, categories 3 to 5 strength, in recent years, along with an increase in rapid intensification events. The storm categories are determined by sustained wind speed. Major hurricanes, or categories 3 to 5 storms, have a minimum sustained wind speed of 111 miles per hour. Within the last 20 years, Florida has been hit with 11 major hurricanes. Comparing this to a 69-year gap, from 1926 to 1995, where Florida was hit with only 11 major hurricanes. According to the HUR DAT, a hurricane database, the average number of tropical storms and hurricanes has increased from 5.6 per year during the original HUR DAT to 6.9 after the reanalysis. That is a 23% increase. While scientists are still unsure whether there is a correlation between climate change and the number of storms, they are certain that climate change is worsening hurricane impacts in the United States by increasing the intensity and decreasing the speed at which hurricanes travel. Within the past 5 years, Florida has been hit with multiple slow-moving, high-intensity storms. Hurricane Ian, which hit the Fort Myers area in 2022, was a Category 4 hurricane that moved at 10 miles per hour and had experienced rapid intensification. Sea surface temperatures were near 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and plenty of moist tropical air was in its path, which allowed for it to intensify from 120 to 160 miles per hour within less than 48 hours. Hurricane Helene, which hit Florida, Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee, and Virginia, was another extremely impactful storm due to the amount of moisture, high storm surge, and size of the storm. Hurricane Helene, like Ian, also experienced rapid intensification due to the warm waters of the Gulf, which also allowed it to continue to absorb energy and grow until it made landfall. The storm was a record size, being almost as large as Hurricane Katrina that hit in 2005. To end the 2024 hurricane season, Florida was hit with a Category 3 hurricane. Hurricane Milton, which hit the Yucatan Peninsula as well as Georgia and Florida, followed Hurricane Helene in the 2024 hurricane season. Milton hit just 13 days after the southern United States had just been rocked with a Category 4 storm. Milton, like Helene, also experienced rapid intensification and grew from a Category 1 to a Category 5 storm in a matter of 24 hours. To give you some perspective, this is an increase of nearly 100 miles per hour in just 24 hours, going from 80 to 175 miles per hour. Fortunately, due to an increasing wind shear, Hurricane Milton weakened to a Category 3 storm just before impacting the west coast of Florida. Climate change is causing sea levels to rise and ocean temperatures to increase, which is allowing for storms to rapidly intensify while maintaining a low moving speed, causing them to be more disruptive. As seen above, Hurricane Florence rapidly intensified from a tropical storm to a Cat 4 hurricane in just 24 hours. The dangers of climate change are affecting the entirety of the world around us. If we don't take action soon against climate change, we in the state of Florida will continue to be hit harder and harder every year by destructive major hurricanes. Thank you for tuning in, everyone. I'm Ava Smith, and have a great day.